Alright, listen. I already know the pain. I already know and understand the pain that you guys are going through. I know that you guys want to make money online. You guys are beginners. You guys have not tried to make money online. And you guys maybe want to make money online is maybe part of your goals, right? Maybe for this year, for 2025, you guys already want to start making money online. But maybe you guys haven't started yet, right? Maybe you guys have been researching, maybe you guys have been Googling, YouTubing for the most part, like which online business to start basically and what to sell, right? Like you guys know, okay, like you guys already know your goal is to make money online. You guys want to create online income. You guys just want to start selling something. You guys just want to start selling digital products, physical products, services, coaching, whatever it is, right? There's so many ways to make money online at today's day and age, right? You guys are overwhelmed. You guys are overwhelmed. You guys are confused. You guys are just like, all of these YouTubers, right? All of these finance YouTubers. Some of them say that you have to start this business model first. Maybe this e-commerce, this dropshipping, whatever it is, this Amazon FBA business model is better or best for all beginners, right? Maybe you guys have been listening to too many videos like this. And you guys are just confused. You guys just don't know where to begin. You guys don't know where to start. You guys don't know how to start. So many questions, right? So many questions in your heads. I understand, right? I understand. Been there, done that as well. So I understand your pain. So what I'm trying to say is that there are better ways to start making money online as a beginner. As a beginner. So what I always say and preach on this channel is that you guys can just basically start selling on knowledge. Start selling on knowledge. Start selling your specialized knowledge. Whatever knowledge you have in right now, whatever you have been through, whatever you have solved a problem in your life, you guys probably already have the solution. You guys already have this unique solution that you guys personally solved yourself. So just sell the solution. Because end of the day, right, what you guys need to understand is that in order to make money online, what we need to do and what we need to understand is that businesses are basically being made from solving problems. That's it, simple as that. So as long as you understand the concept, you understand that that is really like the bread and butter, like the foundation of all businesses, right? Like you just need to solve problems. You just need to solve issues, solve life problems, solve whatever problems it is in your whatever niche that you have experience in, right? Solve the problem, and then you have the solution, and then you sell it because people will pay, right? People will pay money for their problems to be solved. Just like laundromats, right? Just for example, right? Laundromats. What do they even exist? It's because people probably do not have like proper laundry equipments, right? They don't have it at home. Maybe they want to buy it, but it's too costly for them to maintain or whatever it is. That's why they rather go downstairs or wherever it is they are, and then just do the laundry over there. Easier, more convenient, right? Maybe it's cheaper as well, right? I don't know. Don't quote me on it. But that's what I'm trying to say. Like these businesses are being born because it solves people's problems. Another very classic one, restaurants, right? F&B, food and beverage. Why do they even exist? It's because people need to eat, right? People need to eat. People people literally need to eat. If not, we die, right? We need to drink stuff as well. If not, if we don't drink, we die, right? So that's like literally solving problems. And then yeah, sure, you eat anything, right? As long as calories, it gives you energy, then you'll probably survive, right? But why are there so many different kinds of different cuisines? It's because people want to enjoy better foods. People want to enjoy good food. So people, they want choices, right? They want variety, right? So that is a problem. So that is why there's so many different kinds of different restaurants out there that's being built out there. Just to solve problems, right? Because this is basically just solving people's issues and people's problems. That's it, simple as that. And you can bring that concept to whatever online business they are trying to do, right? So let's just say, for example, a classic one, personal training, fitness, right? Maybe you are, I don't know, man, maybe you were like 100 kilograms, right? And then maybe you successfully lost 30 kilograms, right? And you can obviously sell the solution. Share your experience online, right? Make social media content, obviously, because that is like the best way to create attention and to basically get leads, right? Get customers, get paying clients. So from there, make free content, give out free value online, share with whatever it is that you're doing that work for you, right? And then if people want to pay you to work with you, because chances are if you're talking to a certain demographic, right, a certain avatar, and then if they were like you, basically you solve the issue, right? And then if they were as well 100 kilograms back then, or maybe now, right now they're 100 kilograms, and then they want to lose 30 kilograms as well, just like you, just like what you did, just sell the solution. That's it, plain and simple, right? So that is how businesses work, be it offline business or be it online business as well. Simple as that. Just like dropshipping, e-commerce. People want to buy stuff online. People want to make their lives more convenient. They do not want to go through the hassle of going to any brick and mortar shop to actually go there and purchase anything and then go back up to their house or whoever it is, right? Or maybe they want to give a gift to someone else. And then obviously if you do it online, e-commerce style, is easier, right? Just input the address and then done, boom, that's it. And then you don't even need to deliver by yourself, right? People will be the service couriers who will do the job for you. Straight up, right? Problem solved, right? Those are all problems, and literally there are businesses out there that exist that solve those problems. Simple as that, straight up, right? But let me share with you guys another thing, right? Maybe all of this, right, is all fine and dandy. Like maybe okay, you guys understand the concept. You guys understand what I'm trying to say right now. Like okay, all I need to do is to solve problems, right, and sell the solution. Right? Okay, now you understand that. Now you understand that concept. Now you understand how it works. Okay, so maybe right now the question in your head is that okay, Bo, you've been saying all this stuff, right? Okay, I get it right now. I get it, I understand. But what do I sell? What do I sell? How do I sell? How do I go about it? How do I even begin? How do I even start? Right? So many questions in your heads. So many questions. I understand. Guys, I understand. Been there, done there as well. Right? I understand it all. Because when I was doing dropshipping, right? When I was doing the e-commerce, when I was doing the Etsy print on demand, when I was doing the Faces YouTube automation channel, whatever it is, so many more, right? I've been doing all that back then. I should have documented it, by the way. So that's one thing that I regret not doing. So before I did all of that, right, I'm like, okay, I understand the concept right now. So please, someone teach me, someone show me how do I actually do it. How do I go about it? Right, you say about all these things, you guys are just like selling us a dream, but how do we actually go about it? I need more information. I need more knowledge about it. I understand. Hey, I understand, man. Hey, guys, I understand. 100%, I understand. All right, so what I have came up with, what I've created for you guys is that I've created 1,372 digital product ideas. Now, hear me out. Hear me out. Why digital products? Because, right, basically, if you're selling digital products, you're just selling online. And that is what we want, right? Because like I said at the beginning of this video, we want to make money online. We want to make money online. So if you want to make money online, obviously, naturally, we are going to be selling things digitally, right, online. Unless you are trying to sell physical products, then that is a different story, right? But if you want to just start something off that is like good for beginners, right? If you guys want to start something off, get something off the ground, at least just start something, right? That's basically what I'm trying to say. Start something. Do not think too long. Just start, right? Sell something that is digital products. Maybe you guys can, like I said earlier on, package all of your solutions, right? Package them in a form of ebook, in a form of a guide, in a form of a template, in a form of a worksheet, whatever it is, course as well, video course, audiobook, whatever it is, right? You guys can package it in a form of a digital product and then sell it online, right? Okay, so that is the delivery, right? So that is like the mode of delivery. Okay, so you guys already know already. So it's ebook, video courses, PDF, whatever it is, course as well. You guys actually can do course as well. Yeah, so that's another thing, right? Coaching, that's a different thing as well. But if you guys can just sell something that is of low ticket, which is like I said, ebook, which can be in the form of PDF guide, things of that nature, simple one, straightforward. You guys can just sell like $20 or $30, whatever it is, right? You guys can sell it and then just market it, right? And how do you market it? How do you get clients? How do you get customers? Like I said, social media. So start posting whatever it is that you are pro in, basically, whatever specialized knowledge you have in. Start posting on social media, get the attention from your target avatar, your targeted audience, and then from there on, they follow you, they like you, they follow you for your content because you are an authority on that said topic. Then they will trust you, and then once they trust you even more and more from all of your free value, from your free content, and then they're gonna be converted to paying customers. Straight up, that's like how it is, right? That's just how it works. Straight up, that's it. There's no secret already. There's no secret. So that is like, I feel, right, it's like the best beginner friendly business model because you guys can just start with whatever it is that you already know. You guys don't have to like go through like another course. You guys don't have to like exactly acquire new skills or new knowledge. You don't have to do that just yet. You can just start, right? Just start with whatever it is that you've already been through and done it. So for me, like I said, for me, the skill that I had right back then was personal training, right? Because I have been in in the whole fitness game for like, my god, for ever since I can remember, man. Ever since I was born, I guess. Where I did like taekwondo when I was really, really young, when I was a kid. I was a toddler, I think. I don't even know, man. Yeah, and then that was like my first sport ever. And then I dive into different kinds of sports, all kinds of sports growing up. Until now, I'm still doing some different kinds of sports. Yeah, so I basically monetize it, right? I just monetize the skill. Yeah, so right now, I do personal training every now and then. So that's another thing that I'm monetizing my skill. That's it. And people pay me for it, right? It's a solution, right? They want to get fit, they want to get muscles, they want to lose fat, whatever it is. And then I have the solution for them because I've been through all of that myself. I've been through the trials and errors. So that's why they trust me. I'm authority on that topic. And then they pay me for it. Straight up. That's it. That's how it works, right? So back to the topic. 1,372 digital product ideas. All right. So if you guys just want to, go through this list of ideas, get inspiration. You guys, like I said, maybe you guys you don't know what you guys want to sell, what you guys want to start with. Go through that entire list. Okay. Best part is free. All right. It is free. 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 Right. Free 1,372 digital product ideas. Okay. Go through it all. There's all kinds of different categories, all kinds of different niches as well. Maybe you guys are into gardening. Maybe you guys are into entrepreneurship. You guys are into music producing. You guys are into real estate. The list goes on and on, right? Literally, the list goes on and on. Okay, so it's free right now. It's gonna be at the link at the description box down below. I'm gonna share with you guys for free. Okay, so go through the list. Okay, pick one, pick any one of it. I mean, you probably will not even pick one because it's like 1,000 plus, right? Probably you guys will have more than one category that you guys can choose from. Okay, so maybe make a list of 10 or 20 even, right? Make an entire list and then choose the ones that you're interested in. Okay, take inspiration from it, or maybe you guys just like the exact idea from it as well. You guys can just take it as it is and then start marketing the service, the product, whatever it is, and then start making money, man. Straight up, start making money. All right, and then before I forget, the best part for you guys, because it's all for beginners, and like I said, I understand how it feels. Okay, so basically, this is everything that I wanted when I was starting out. So basically, solve your own problem, right? This is what I'm trying to say. Solve your own problem and then sell the solution from it. Solve your own problem and sell the solution. So, with that being said, I've also created another thing which is called the Entrepreneur Playbook. Right? Entrepreneur with an O, not with an E, but O. Why? Because we are online entrepreneurs. Right? That's right. So that's what it's going to be called. Entrepreneur Playbook with an O, right? Don't get it twisted. Online entrepreneurs. That's what we're going to be. That's what we're trying to become. And then inside the playbook, basically, right, start to finish. Start to finish, meaning to say that basically how to start your first online business, how do you run it, how do you operate it, and then how do you market it, how do you scale it, everything. Every single question that you may have to run an online business, this is the guide that you need. This is the playbook that you need for every beginners out there. Right? So like I said, this is something that I wish I had, and I wish that this guide, this playbook existed for me back then when I was starting out. So it really ties back to the principle that I'm talking about all along, right? Solve your own problems and then sell the solution. But in this case, right, I'm not selling it, right? I'm not even going to put a price tag on it. I'm not. It's free. All right, FREE. FR to the E to the E, right? It's going to be free for you guys. So the digital product ideas is free as well. And then the playbook, the guide to start your first online business is going to be free as well. That's it, guys. That's it. All right, full stop, period. All right, so go ahead, sign up for it. All right, it's going to be at the link at the description box down below. And if you guys are interested in it, go for it, sign up, pick an idea from the digital product ideas list. And then once you pick the idea, go through the online entrepreneur playbook as well. And then once you guys go through it all, then start, man. Start taking action, man. Start taking action. Start taking money. Start earning money. Start taking all the profits, man. I just want to help as many as you guys as possible. Just like what I wish I had when I was just starting out. Which is like what, 5 years ago? 4 or 5 years ago. I think it's 5 years ago at this point of time. Wow, time flies, man. Time flies. Right? You know what else flies? Money, right? Don't let the money fly, man. Do not let money fly with your time. Okay? So, we're gonna start earning money online. We're gonna start making money online. As a beginner, I know you guys really want it. You guys want to have a better life for yourself, right? Maybe for yourself, for your family, for loved ones, whatever it is. This is it, man. This is it. All right, start from here. All right. If you guys still, like I said, if you guys still want to try out the other online business models, right, like what everybody else is talking about, e-commerce, dropshipping, copywriting, Amazon FBA, whatever it is, right? Go ahead as well. You guys can do it as well, right? But like I said, this is something that is strictly for beginners. Like just beginners first. Okay, start with this first, and if you guys want to try all those other stuff, right, then okay, sure, go ahead, right? But if you guys want to start now, something that you guys already have knowledge in, which is why I said, if you guys have a specialized knowledge, go for it, sell it, package it up in a digital product, and then some marketing it, man. That's it. All right, so see you guys inside, and let's do this.